like I'm floating through the air.
In this video, I will show you how to count words in the entire documents and in the specific paragraph. Now let's see how the entire documents. Now how to find the words count in the entire documents. You can see it from here. Now if you want to find the paragraph words, if you want to find word count in a paragraph, then select the paragraph and then look at this section again. It says 66 words this paragraph has, and the total documents contains 875 words. Now this paragraph has 66 words. Now let's check this paragraph. This paragraph has 53 words. Out of 875, 875 is the whole word count of this entire document, and for 53 is this paragraph words count. Thanks for watching.